Hey, Chef Anthony from Don's Appliances here today. I got some bread dough. We're gonna do some proofing on this bread dough and show you how to make a nice French bread loaf in our oven in convection. So let's jump to it right now. I have 4 loaves right here, and this is kind of our end result that we wanna end up with. So I have it thawed and just oiled lightly. So just a little bit of olive oil on it. What I wanna do is I'm gonna roll this out just a hair. And this is really just gonna give me that round, cylindrical like look. And that's really what I want aerodynamically and for the proofing stage and for the convection stage. So check that out, nice and easy. Just apply a little pressure. And I just wanna leave that like that. And what we're gonna do is it's gonna go into the oven at 100 degrees and we're gonna proof it till it doubles in size. Then the oven's already at 100. We're gonna go to convection bake and we're gonna bake these breads off at 375 degrees until they're golden brown and delicious. And here's the idea that I like to do with the proofing. I like to, get the shape I want, then I like to score it. Okay, and you can do this with any, paring knife. You can do any pattern you want. You can kind of go that way with it too. And then I just put a little bit of kosher salt on it, on the top. And then I'm gonna put a little Italian seasoning, just like that. And then just drizzle a little dash of olive oil on top. And this will really help when it proofs, really puff up, really get the stage that I want to, that I can just really go in and bake. So I'm gonna finish up these last 2. Then we're gonna go to the oven for a quick 20-minute proof on these loaves, and then we're gonna get baking. Okay, so once again, follow suit. We don't want them too thin or too thick. Just we want that round, circular dough look, just like that. Same thing with this one. Nice and easy. Ready to roll, ready to roll. Even give them a little pinch so they all look a little even. So I'm gonna score that. Beautiful. Okay, salt it. Season it, and a little drizzle of the olive oil. That's perfect. So, to the oven to proof we go. All right, the bread's out of the oven and cooled. It's probably about 35 minutes on convection. Look at that, convection roast again, golden brown. Let's cut into this hot bread. Let's check out our work. Look at that. Very nice, good bubbling, good browning. Let's see that on the inside. That looks great, still warm. That tastes amazing, but great and spongy. I like this, nice dense loaf, great color. All we need is maybe a pound and a half of butter. So this is another great one to proof your dough, bake it off in the same oven, and get a great result to make some fresh bread at home. Enjoy this video. Thank you.